Welcome to Caielle's World of Fun! I can finally flop on the bed! Open the doors!
Oh, careful, Caielle!
Yeah.
Oh, there's happy anniversary in here!
Wow!
Yes! This place?
This is your bed, Caielle.
Yeah, the pool!
Go, open.
It's not that big, but still, at least there's a pool.
Okay, let's open.
There's a TV!
Oh, wow!
You like it? Oh, Caleb, careful.
Like it? I love it!
Caleb, careful, Caleb.
I want to touch the water.
You want to touch the water?
I want touch. My bed. Yes, this is the wine. This is the wine.
In the bathroom. Look at the bathroom.
Is there a big giant bathtub?
There is.
There's a big giant bathtub! Yes! This is amazing! It's not opening.
No, we'll turn on the lights later. And then we have our own shower room. Oh, the toilet. And the shower room.
There's a big, big...
Wait, no!
We are at the restaurant and I'll be right back because I'm going to go get my own food. Three, two, one. We are exploring the ocean.
Let's go check the fishing.
Yeah, we're going underwater. Go.
I want to see the bluefish in there. There's a bluefish.
What's a
And there's Tony. There's a bluefish. So
Oh, that's a blue. This place is amazing. You should definitely come. That is a lot of money. Yes, we're going out now to get some snacks, and we're going to roam around the place and check out a playground. And also we brought an umbrella just in case because off camera the weather was changing randomly. Okay, let's go. So we're at Dream Bar and these are what we got. This is a lemon cake. I'm eating one right now. It's a little bit sour. And this one is a crumble cake. And then we got some burgers. And then we did not get the screamo, okay? My brother's eating this. He likes screamo.
And for the drinks, what are you having?
I don't know.
Water.
This is mine. You got the wrong one.
This is what the dock looks like. It's beautiful. Trust me. It's like those running in like those fashion competitions, like you know where the models walk.
Yeah, I'll go walk.
Like
Do the catwalk. You hold your hat.
I don't know how.
You're doing it right now.
The catwalk.
Oh, they're jumping. Oh, there's a shark.
So fast. Look at that. It's so colorful there.
Oh my god, so cute.
Guys, we're gonna have dinner at Sunset Restaurant. I bet the food's delicious. Let's go.
Hi, good evening.
Caielle's World of Fun. And today is day 2 of our Maldives trip. I'm going to go get my breakfast now. See you there. The fish are opening their mouth randomly. I don't know if they're hungry or something. But they just keep on opening their mouth. And did you guys see that white big fish? It's upside down. It swims upside down if you guys can't see. Look me! Try like me! See? They're opening their mouth.
Maybe they're waiting for the food.
See, they're opening their mouth. See, look at this gold one. And the white one and the black. Also, guys, there were some swings here before.
Yeah, we can go to the swing if you want. You wanna go
I want
swing?
to go to the swings
Okay, show
and
them.
do random stuff.
Okay, let's go. Come, let's go to the swing.
Yeah.
Let's go.
You can even lay down. There's even one for Yeba. I only go way down. One
Okay.
for little children. I only go way down. Hello. I just say hello.
Go say hello. See, it's just looking at you. It's a friendly bird.
Hello, look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
Don't scare. Don't scare the bird away.
Oh, it's so pretty.
It's so pretty, right? What are you gonna call her?
Goodbye, Willow. Oh yeah, its name is Willow. Like my plushie at home. It doesn't even show on my camera.
No, just take a picture. Just snap it. It's okay. Wow, look at that. They're so.
It's a school of fishes making an even bigger fish. Or maybe just a turtle.
That is just to scare the predators away.
Oh, they made like an even bigger fish or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, it sort of looks like a tadpole. Or maybe a bag.
Wow, look at that. It's so big and so many.
Yeah. There's so much.
Yep.
Can I swim with them?
You want?
Yes,
No, let's
I
go
want.
there. The other
Yes, I
side.
want.
Come on, let's go.
No.
To the
We're
dive
going
center.
To get our snorkeling gear.
Yes, we're going to get our snorkeling gears. Yeah.
Some people are here.
Yeah, because there's a schedule. Our schedule is still later. We'll collect the snorkeling equipment first, and then we'll do snorkeling later.
When afternoon or something? Afternoon?
Yes. Wow, look at that bird there.
Oh, I think it's another parrot. Should I name that one Fruit? Here we are at Dive Center about to get our snorkeling gear. I'm so excited, I can't wait. But too bad the snorkeling is later. But let's go. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
We got our snorkeling gear.
Oh yeah, it's a green and black fish.
Yes, green. I don't think I will be able to take a picture of the fish with my camera.
They're too far, yeah.
And plus, it's too blue. If it wasn't... Oh, there's small fishes.
Small fishes again.
Yeah, they're
They're the blue ones, see?
blue and teal. Yeah, teal.
Look at the blue fishes there.
They're
small
blue and
fishes.
teal.
You see?
Color blue and color teal.
Yeah. You see
Oh,
that?
I saw a fish that was like blue, white, and yellow. We are going back to our villa, and we will place these in our villa, and then we will go to the kids club, where they have a sun lounge, a kids pool, and I think a playground there.
And you will change as well.
Yes, we're going
To swimming again.
Yes, we're going to be swimming through this, and then I will jump from the ladder again to the ocean,
Alright.
which I love doing, even though I just started doing it yesterday. Octopus! Octopus, you see there?
It's like a rock now.
Yeah, it's sort of like a rock, but can you guys see it?
Is it octopus? I think it's one fish.
Oh, and there's a red crab. There's a crab there. I don't notice it.
It looks like a rock now, the octopus.
Yeah, but it's still... No, it looks like a piece of coral.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Colorful coral.
Let's go.